Introducing the Sharp XEA303 cash register from shopstuff.co.uk. Sharp XEA303 is supplied as standard with a full manual which includes a quick start guide, a warranty card for your on-site warranty, a full set of manager, operator and cash drawer keys, spool for the audit roll, and 2 starter thermal rolls. We do recommend that if you're buying this cash register you buy at least 1 box of till rolls with the machine. Sharp XEA303 has a customer rear display which can be lifted up and rotated. It has an audit roll for your records and also a receipt roll so you can give out receipts during the day. To operate, turn the OP key round to the reg position and type in the sale amount without pressing a decimal point. The decimal point is automatically entered by the cash register. Then press any of your 20 department keys. There's 20 department one-touch buttons which can then be shifted up to a maximum of 99. Repeat procedure for as many items as you have in the sale, and then when you're ready to finish the sale, type in the amount. You can press the subtotal button to give you the total amount, and then type in the total sales amount and press the cash button. You have 4 note holders in this machine and 8 coin trays. Receipt can be torn off and given to the customer. At the end of the day you can do a Z report to show you how much money has been taken during the day. To do this, turn the MA key round to the X1 Z1 position, then press the decimal point key and press TLNS. The report prints out and shows the total amount of cash in drawer and also breaks the sales down by department so you can see how much you've taken on various departments.